Ya. Dia ingat kita biasa-biasa. Wih, decline, bai. Selalunya perempuan yang decline aku, ni lelaki yang decline aku. Bapak nampak sangat korang ni accept perempuan cantik je. Wih, Mr. Apple Paranormal Empire. Oh my god. Assalamualaikum Kak Melo, salam dari Sabah. Waalaikumsalam. Wih, tolonglah jangan buka lagu raya, nanti aku berjoget. Wih, diorang super tak add aku. Wih, diorang decline aku.
Orang nak buat SES1.
Nyanyi lagu Thai Melo. Ning nang neng la minaswe, ning nang neng la minang neng.
Masih payah.
Neneka. Arong ni siapa korang? Dia teringin nak masuk edit. Hi.
Hello guys, hello guys. Thank you so much and
Where are you from?
I'm from Malaysia. Where are you from?
I'm from Honolulu. I'm from Philippines.
Wow, you from Philippines.
You're from Malaysia.
I love your lip.
Which part of Malaysia?
Which part of Malaysia? You know the Kelang.
All I know is Kuala Lumpur, Kota Kinabalu, Sampurna. Yes.
Kelang in city KLCC actually.
I don't know where is that.
Daerah. Forget about that. Daerah.
Salamat
Kelang.
malam.
Ya, selamat
Yes.
malam.
Apa kabar?
Apa kabar? Kabar baik.
Yeah. Bagus.
Aduh, you from Philippines, right?
Yes.
Mahal kita.
Oh, mahal ko din kayo.
Weh. Hangat ko sa'yo.
Ay,
Salamat po.
ay, Lani Micha Lucha. Beautiful. Malaysia, okay.
Why you so look beautiful tonight?
Oh my God. It's opposite of beautiful.
Bener berapa?
I'm not beautiful. I'm just
You beautiful, babe.
an entertainment to my viewers.
You know, my friends is same like you. He looks like you exactly.
Oh my God.
He from Sabah. We call him Daus Bakjo.
That was bad.
If you want to meet him, I will do for you.
Oh.
Do you like boy or girls?
I like boys.
I know you.
Yes.
I hope you get boy one day.
Ako orang suluk.
Cute sayan.
Orang suluk?
Yeah.
You are not Philippine.
Yes. I am a Muslim too.
Kami rin masug.
Oh, you already stay in Malaysia lah.
No, how do we say? Ako tidak
Tidak mau?
ano to? Ano to?
Tono ka.
Ano ko na list?
It's okay. You can speak in English. I understand already.
Okay.
Malayo.
Oh my God. Wait lang.
It's okay. Don't pressure your heart. Don't pressure your mind. It's okay. I just want to say, I love your hijab. That one in your head.
Yes.
Yeah, I love it. Where is your tea?
Oh my
Your
God.
tea is gone. Oh my God. It look like piano.
Magkalawa ko English.
I love